You're so excited you can't even think?
Yeah, I can't even think.
We are in Greenville, South Carolina at PJ Fisher Middle School. We are having one of our STEM Fest in partnership with Clemson for STEM South Carolina. They will be participating in all of our 60 plus STEM Fest stations and doing everything from flying drones to the Star Lab to all the different biology and chemistry stations. And there's fun for all ages, kindergarten through 12th grade.
Favorite table here was the anatomy table with the sheep lung and heart and like the smoker's lung, the healthy lung. It was so interesting to see like how the difference between smoker's lung and like a healthy lung, how they like react to like air and how different it is, and along with how like the inside of a heart looks like. 'Cause I've only seen videos and never in real life person of how a real heart looks like, so it was really exciting to see.
So it's important for Clemson to put events on like this because we are a land grant institution and our mission is to impact and service the state. And one of our Elevate, our strategic plan pillars is to transform lives. So bringing economic impact, this is going to help the children and of the state in education workforce development. A sponsor like GE Vernova is very big because it really it shows that we need the support and they need the workforce. They're putting in the effort to support to get these students to where they need to be and train, so we have that workforce that we need in the future. So we have the categories of the emerging, the future. These are our future workforce, and then we have our emerging workforce category. Then we have our actual current workforce. This is really developing our future to become our current.
Well, I think you're in a location in the southeastern part of the United States where innovation and technology are driving so much of the workforce around here, not only from the automotive industry, but with the engineering, the biomedical aspect of things. And so an event like this absolutely punctuates the things that are going on in the upstate as we're contributing to something a little bit bigger with industry in the southeastern part of the country.
So this is showing how an electricity.
Wow, so cool. I actually took the lid off, Jake.
Yeah, for us, we're hoping that kids go and get excited about STEM here, and then as they go through high school or get into college, that they choose STEM majors, and then they're able to graduate from those majors and come work with us.